Even as President Biden says he's pulling out all the stops on the nationwide vaccination campaign, here in New Jersey, vaccine megasites are starting to stand down, even though we still have 500,000 people to go to meet the governor's June 30th deadline. News 12 New Jersey's Alex Sedan brings us that story.
Time has now come for us to begin to transition away from the megasite model.
The Meadowlands vaccination megasite will offer its last first dose of the COVID vaccine on Friday, and megasites in Atlantic and Gloucester counties are no longer getting new supplies of first doses. All those sites will continue to administer second doses through the middle of June, but then begin to shut down.
The virus is in retreat.
This scaling back in New Jersey comes as President Biden makes a June push to get more Americans vaccinated, dangling rewards, including free beer on the 4th of July if his goal is met.
For all this progress that we've made, we're not done yet. Many communities have lower levels of vaccination, putting them at higher risk now and going forward.
Governor Murphy holding his regular coronavirus briefing virtually on Wednesday to accommodate the White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator representing the Biden administration. And the governor saying just 235 vaccinations in Monmouth County over Memorial Day weekend as part of his Shots at the Shore campaign was a success.
And it felt like a burden, like a house had been taken off of people's shoulders. The spirit, we were on the shore for most of our time, was just really, really, really strong, even in the face of, on Saturday and Sunday, biblically bad, miserable weather.
This as a showdown looms Thursday in the legislature over a bill that would end the state's public health emergency and most of the governor's COVID-19 emergency orders, but keep 14 executive orders in place until January 2022.
We don't want to extend these health emergencies any more than anyone else does.
A previous attempt to pass the bill was scuttled in May at the last minute over both Republican and Democratic opposition, and the bill revised by Democratic legislative leaders.
We've had a very good level of cooperation on bringing this to a good, rightful resolution.
Alex Sedan, News 12, New Jersey.
Well, the new version of the public emergency bill would also allow the governor to ask the legislature for a 90-day extension on his emergency powers. Senate President Steve Sweeney's office saying that extension is only intended to be used once.